Hello and welcome to Nursing at Griffith. Among the various courses you undertake here, some of them will be clinical courses and will have a clinical placement attached to them. The Clinical Placement Office is responsible for managing your clinical placements and is made up by a few different people. The nursing placement officers are likely the people that you will deal with the most. Among several things, they are responsible for the management of Sonia Placement Database and allocation of students to placement blocks and facilities. Coordinators are academics at each campus and will assist you in dealing with academic aspects of your clinical placement. You might at some point see them to deal with things such as assessment tools, clinical learning needs, scope of practice, and application of rules. Finally, is a clinical placement director. She is the head of the placement team and is responsible for overseeing the running of the office and ensuring all placements run smoothly. In regard to clinical placement, an important document is the BN Clinical Placement Policy and Contract. This contract outlines all rules and regulations for clinical placement, so please read and get to know what is expected of you as a Griffith nursing student. Within nursing, a program called Sonia is used to organise your placement information. It houses your clinical assessment tools as well as stores your fit for placement requirements. When you have access to Sonia, you can see a variety of documents and links on your homepage that will assist you on your clinical placement. Hopefully you're looking forward to attending your clinical placements, as they're a unique opportunity to apply theory to practice while caring for others. They're also an assessment item and a mandatory, so 100% attendance is expected. In addition to university requirements, clinical placements are needed so that you can achieve the hours required to register as a nurse in Australia at the end of your degree. Griffith University benefits from the support of many healthcare facilities. As such, clinical placements are allocated in a wide geographical area. Every effort is made to place students in proximity to their place of residence, but this is not always possible. It should therefore be understood that student placement could be allocated anywhere, from Prince Charles Hospital in the north, Tweed Hospital in New South Wales, or out to the west in Ipswich. Before you go to your clinical placement, there's a few things to think about. Have you organised your ID badge? Are your mandatory requirements up to date? Have you developed your placement goals? Have you purchased the correct uniform? How are you going to get to placement? And how will you fit placement around study, work, and family commitments? Thanks for listening and good luck on your clinical placement.